Hello guys, this is Raza and you are my channel Science Innovation Tech. Today we will be discussing how to give up reference to our research paper or to any other material that you want to write and you need referencing for that. We have nowadays the top software that mostly people are using for their referencing. These are Mendeley that is mostly used, EndNote and Read Clip Papers, Zetro and Science Wheels. These are the top paper software that mostly people use for reference management. These software can be used, but today the one that I would can be using that is simply MS Word. You don't need to be go to any sort of software. MS Word where you going to write your paper. It's so easy, so simple. You don't need to be worried about the download styles and any other thing. You just write here, insert your data. You will be easily getting all your citation and your referencing. For that will be let's start. So how we could give our referencing in MS Word. For that you need to go referencing and reference. There is an option insert citation. When you click on insert citation, I have already inserted all the citation. How you could add a new citation? You could go down, there is an option add new citation. Now this display is to create the source. Now whatever is the source you have, you could insert it. For example, if I have a book, require these places to be added. And if you want to have a book section, and if you want a journal, most of the time people are using journal, so you can give it from here. The one other thing is that which sort of citation style you want. Most of the times that is most famous is EPA, but you can also use the other citation format. These all are already in MS Word. You don't need to be worried about. Just select this style and you will get as per the required publications. You can give your citation. So how we could add our citation? Let's go to add to new citation. For example, I have taken some material from one research paper and I want to give a citation down here. So where you want to give the citation, place your cursor on that place and then go to add citations. Now add citations, you will start. For example, I need to give a citation from a paper. I have downloaded these paper from some website. So for example, I want to give the citation of this paper to my research. For example, my citations in my this paper. So for that, I will be doing what? First, you need to add author. For author, you need to add first the last name of the author. It will be start from the part to take a copy of it, add it here, and then it will require the first name. For example, you should copy the first name, add here, and then the middle name. This is the middle name. You could add this one if you want. If now we have another two authors, so we need to add the other as well. So you should add the other two authors as per their names. The first name will be here, and then the second name, middle name will be in middle. This is our middle name, and this is the last name. This I need to change like in this form and add this. Now the third author we need to add as his first name, and this is his middle name. Add this as well, and this is the third name. This is the third name. You could add it. Now you have added this author. Now go OK. These author have been added in your. And now what is the title? You should copy the title of your research paper that you have. Research paper. This is, and the journal name is Spring Science Media. and you should add your journal name. The year of publication is 2020. The paper is pages, from which page you want to write this. For example, if you give the pages, it will. If you don't give, it's depend, but I want to give from 2 to 30, for example, pages. You can add more bibliography here in this field. You can extract it, you can write everything, you can add month, you can add everything. Publishers, at the same time, volume, issues. This is the issue, for example. It's how many issues. These are the issue. And for example, the volume is 57. So you can write everything, whatever you want. Now you can click on OK. This is your citation. See here at the bottom, this citation is now is here for you. If you want to make modification in it, right click in here, add the sources. You can again make the changes on it. But if you want to make as a text here, add a source. Now you could convert into static text. Now it is static because it is linked with the other one, so I'll make it a comma here. Now my citation is here. Now the same citation, for example, you are writing some other names down. The same citation you can be writing here. For example, I want to, this name is what, the first name of the author is Dorit. So I can, for example, you want to give the same citation here. You don't need to write again the citation, just go to and it will show with the name. This is the Dorit, with the last name will come first. Here you can give it here the citation. Now make it again as convert into the static source, so you can change it and make a comma of it. Now your citation is here. If you want at the beginning, you can also write it here. For example, I want like here, so I can give it at the same here as well. This is my citations. Now you want to change it, convert to as a text, you can give it here as well. So this is citation. Now you if you enter all the citation, you don't need to worry about your referencing. Now just go to down side, your references will be ready. For example, I want to publish my citation here, all the citation that I give to my research paper. Now you just need to go to bibliography. This is the style, which style you want, this one, which style you want, it will be inserted. See, all my citation which I have given to this paper are all here, just in a single pane. You just need to enter the data at once, at only first time. You don't need to worry about your citation and referencing. All these references are ready and you don't need to be worried. You could get something, and this will be helpful for you, especially for the research people. So you